No?
No. A contra is something like this.
A contra is, yeah, for 3 days.
Yeah.
But what happens is, see, what happens is, when the market is about to close, there are some stocks which gives movement in the last 15 minutes of closing, or say 20 minutes of closing. There are some stocks which would be dull for the whole day, but they would give movement when the market is going to close prior to 15-20 minutes. So that is a definite signal for you to know that there would be movement in stock those the very next day. Because for the whole day there was no movement in the stock. But before the market is going to close, 15-20 minutes prior to close, there is a huge amount of volume generated in the stock. So if that volume is positive, then that is a definite buy for the very next day, because you would see that when in the morning the stock opens up, it would be giving you a good amount of profit. And when the volumes are on negative biasness, sellers are more and buyers are less, you definitely know that tomorrow that stock would open lower. So you can buy today and sell tomorrow based on those 15 minutes analysis. You identify these 5 stocks, these have given a good movement in last 15 minutes, so you can buy any one of them and wait for tomorrow where it would be definitely giving you a good return very next day. Buy today, sell tomorrow. Right? So, market timing, precision and research. You can actually see from 9 to 11 what works is intraday signal, price pattern breakout, trade setup breakout. 5 to 6% return can be capitalized during 9 am to 11 am in the markets. Now when European market opens from 3 to 4, various economic data is released, various news is floated in the market, so you actually now know that what would be the next move of the market during these hours, and you are ready for your BTST setups, and this is the time where you can actually capture 7 to 8% movement in individual stocks. And when you are making a buy position in this, as I explained you hedging, so what we'll do is, if you are buying the stocks, you would sell the index. Because suppose say you buy the stock and the market is falling, so you would lose on your position in stocks, but when you sold the index and the markets are falling, index would come down, so again you would earn from the index. So you are losing here and you are gaining here, and net to net, if you time it correctly, you are going to be in net profit. You won't are taking any naked position. But if you buy here and you just hope that markets are going to move up and the markets fall down, you are actually losing, because you have not made this position. You are getting my point? Always trade by hedging. If you are buying here, you can sell index futures, so that if market comes down, you are losing here, but your index future is giving you profits. And if market moves up, your stocks is giving you profit, your index is losing, but net to net you are always in profit if you know how to time it. So always see, do you strategize your trade? Trading on news or from channels, hunch or emotions should be strictly avoided. Do not trade with emotions or hunch, a feeling from within, no, it's going to move up. And are you a part of herd mentality? Because people around you, when they say buy, automatically it comes to my mind that it's a buy, 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 buy. And we get trapped in their emotions. So always use your brains while you decide when you're trading. If not bull or bear, do you trade like a sheep? Because what happens is, it's pretty clear from this example. I got a stock here that could really excel. That excel becomes sell. When the people translate it, that excel becomes sell, and all are selling, and there are only those 20% who are buying. So these 80% they are losing because they are following a herd mentality. Someone has told them that this stock would go high, and are buying and buying and buying and buying and buying without any objective. So with this, I would also like to give you what we do. We at Epic Research, we are here to create professional traders. By professional traders, I mean we give you a way for disciplined trading. We tell you how to fix your stop losses, what target should be kept, because we follow a strict trading rule. When we say, we give you some signals, when we fix our target at 4%, so for every signal, definitely your targets would be 4%, and we would be asking you to trade with all equal amounts. Our trade would never come without cut loss. So basically all those three things where you are making mistakes, like trading unequally, trading without objective, and never keeping a stop loss, these all three things are wiped off. We have a team of 70 plus analysts who are CFAs, MBAs and CMTs. We are connected to you all the time. We have presence in global market. We only not do Singapore, we do Malaysia, we do US, we do UK, we do India. So we give you exposure of all the markets, and our news and analysis and trading signals are based on analysis of all the markets. We provide you filtered news and analysis, intermarket analysis, and we disseminate news through SMS, WhatsApp, Telegram. We also have a team of fundamental analysts other than technical, those who are tracking market on a daily basis on the news side. What if Janet Yellen comes and says, I am going to raise the interest rate? The markets are going to fall down. So we track every speech, every signal from Janet Yellen to save you from adverse market movements. Giving real-time insights. Technical notes are published. We have a copy of all our technical notes, tech funda reports, mid-term, long-term research reports. Then we do economic. When I talked about bottom fishing, I told you about economy, industry and company analysis. So we do all these things. We also publish reports on IPOs and merger and acquisitions. So for winning strategies, let's again come down. Plan your trade. Do not trade and then plan. First plan and then trade. Position sizing. Do not put all equity in one trade. Whatever trades you are putting, put it with equal capital. Scalping and nimble. Try to take small beautiful profits out of market instead of sitting for I'll be a millionaire. Try to take small profits and accumulate instead of waiting for the $1 stock to get to $10. System is everything, no need for emotions. Always trade your stop losses. Suppose you get into a position where you have purchased a dollar stock and it becomes $3, so you should trade your stop loss to $2 so that if it falls down, again you are earning $1. Always keep on trading your stop losses. Don't take naked positions. Consult your advisor every time. We are always available on Telegram and WhatsApp. So, you should always enter when supply and demand are imbalanced. Use this point as entry and exit. Always remember, history repeats itself. A stock which has made a high of $3 and now trading at $1 would again come to $3, but it's on me to decide when I have to enter. Because if I enter too early, I have to wait for a very long time and I lose my patience. Insist on setting risk and reward. For every trade, you should define your risk and reward. Before entering the trade, if you decide that I would be taking 3% risk to gain 4%, so when there is 3% loss, always exit. Be patient, do EOD analysis. After every trading session, write down your learnings on the market. Believe me, it will gonna help you. I've been doing this every day since past 8 years and it has benefited me a lot. Be disciplined and always follow above rules. So, key takeaway, every art should become science and every science should become art. Always do not take trading lightly. You are putting your hard-earned money in the market. So always trade with sincerity. Every trader has a psychology and leaves us support and resistance. Do not ever get stuck in emotions. Human brain enjoys the pattern that emerge and decode traders. Always look out for your pattern in trading where you have earned more and where you have lost more, and try to repeat the scenarios which happened when you earned more. Trading in financial world is like a startup. You know a startup? No defined rules, but there is an urge to win that can happen with disciplined way of doing it. You can create abundance of wealth for your next generation. This is well proven, just you have to follow the strategies. It rewards if you follow our trades. So, when it comes to our services, we provide you with stock recommendations in Bursa, in SGX. On daily stocks, we do midterm, we do positional, we give you value investing, we give you premium services. So here we have a lot of services where you can fit yourself and you can see how you can get benefited from our services. So in daily stock signals, we provide you 2 to 3 recommendations in a day, trading signals in a day. We tell you what to buy, what to sell, at what rate to buy and what rate to sell, so that you can earn from the market. Our every signal has a return of 4% in daily. In midterm, we give you a return of 14 to 15% and you have to hold it for 15 days. In positional, our return is 8 to 9% and you need to hold our trades for 7 to 8 trading sessions. In value investing, we do bottom fishing where we identify ideas which are doing, after EIC we pick up bottom fishing counters and we tell you this stock is going to move up 20 or 30% and your cut losses would be only 4 to 5%. Bottom fishing. Then in the premium signals, we map an analyst for your trading needs. You analyst based on your portfolio would devise everything and would tell you how to make maximum benefit, how to take maximum benefit out of your portfolio. It is one-to-one real-time handling by an analyst. So we do Hong Kong, we do National Stock Exchange, London Stock Exchange, New York Stock Exchange, Kuala Lumpur, and yes, Singapore. So I would also, for taking it more further, this step, I would like you to register to Epic Learning Center. This is our dedicated training website where we train traders free of cost. Every Wednesday and Friday, we do online seminars where we teach you about the markets, how to make money, the markets next week, how to identify hot counters, what can be the counters where you can put money for the next week. So all this is for free. You can go and register at epiclearning.in or learning@epicresearch.co. You just need to send an email and we will start sending you updates about when we are going to conduct what seminars and you can actually benefit from it. And these all is free of cost. So to start with us, you just need to give us a call on 31581 402 or visit our website epicresearch.sg.